gang, gang. What up, Retro family? What up, Retro gang gang? This your boy Retro Rick from Retro Rick and Maddie's Kicks. And let's get right into it. We unboxing the Jordan 6. Got them early. They come out tomorrow, Saturday. Nike, I mess with you. Me and Maddie rocking with you. You gave us an early review to get back to the people. We appreciate y'all. You know, I had to actually reserve for 4 o'clock. Nike messing with us. I don't know what else to say. You see what they say, just do it. Only thing I don't like what Nike's doing now is the box. Yo, what's up with this? Why y'all putting the checks and everything on here, letting people know what's going on? Nike, please go back to the regular box. We know y'all coming from Tennessee. Everybody know the address. Come on, man. You don't do us like this. But let's go and get right into it. Let's unbox these things. Let's get it. All right. Let's see. Nice tape. I don't even want to hit the tape like that. Let's see what we got here. Let's see what we got. Oh. Okay. Okay. Let's get into it. Jordan box, OG, of course. Like I told you, receipt Fisher. See how we doing? Let's get it here. That box up out of here. For everybody here to see. All right, let's get into it. Let's see, we got the sticker, the approval, let you know it passed inspection. Writing up here on the box. Like I said, these don't come out this Saturday. Retro Rick and Maddie 6, we got them early. And I'm glad we do. Hey, look, let me tell y'all right now. Actually, I thought this was suede. The shoe is actually leather. People, listen to me. Blue is not one of my colors, but I'm going to do something with this blue. Jordan 6 is my favorite silhouette, like I told y'all. So you know Retro Rick had to get the 6s. See, looking at, make sure everybody see it. Icy bottom. Nice, nice. Let's see what we got inside. So I'm gonna set these down. I'm gonna take them out. I'm gonna actually zoom in so y'all can get a detailed review on these. Nice. Know your boy had to smell them. All right, let's see the color wave coming up on these guys here. Let's see the color wave coming up on these guys. They're coming up blue. A diffused blue. Court blue. Retail $190. 205, 207, depending on your neck of the woods. You know what Retro Rick says. Love them. So this your boy Retro Rick from Retro Rick and Maddie's Kicks. Of course, giving y'all another dope early review. So don't go nowhere. Let me do a spin around on the camera and see what's popping with these guys. Yeah, that way. There's that detail I was talking about. The leather. Everybody see it. '91 on the inside, of course. Shoelaces, blue tip on the shoelaces. I love that leather. I actually thought it was suede. Look at that leather coming up on there. Go on, get you a pair. Yo, y'all make sure y'all subscribe, hit that like button, share, tell a friend and tell a friend. Notification gang, hit that notification bell. Retro Rick and Maddie's always gonna pop up with some new heat. We promise you that. We love y'all. Y'all know what we say. Stay strong, stay double strong. Like that, we out. Gang, gang.